So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at this very common issue that people face, and that is your mobile booting into the fast boot mode. Now many people think of this as a problem and they want to know how to get out of it, and therefore this tutorial becomes very important. Now, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe so that like when we make tech solutions or digital solutions like this, you are always updated. Now, let's proceed to understand what this situation is exactly. Now, the fast boot is basically an Android state. It's a condition of Android that we want to bring into. It's not a bug, it's not an error. So if you see this, please don't get spooked up. It's nothing to be scared of. In fact, it's a state that we actually bring into intentionally so that we can run certain fastboot commands. If I now connect this to a laptop, I can run certain fastboot commands, and that's why this state is important to bring into in certain conditions. The way we bring any device into fastboot is by pressing the volume down and the power button both together, and you will see as it boots, it enters into the fast boot mode. So if you see your phone enter into this mode, either by doing this or by some reason, you don't need to get like scared or something. I have today with me a Mi 10T 5G and a Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and both of them have been brought into the fast boot mode intentionally. I've done this so that I can actually show you how to come out of this state as well. And to come out of this state is also pretty easy. Just need to understand the phone anatomy, and that is the volume up, volume down, and the power button. So just hold on to the power button for quite some time. Just keep holding on to this state until you see the MI thing or like the logo coming on the screen. So this may take more than 20 odd seconds. Sometimes it happens fast, but sometimes it may take quite some time. So don't start thinking that this doesn't work. This actually works, and you will see that the phone will boot up. Like I said, this is a Redmi phone, and in some time you will see this phone like boot up normally. And I will do the same trick here again with this Mi 10T. So I just hold on to the power button. So this is volume up, volume down, and the power. And I just hold on to the power button and I just keep that pressed. Now, when you do this for the first time, it takes, more than 20 odd seconds. But like subsequently, this may take a little lesser time, like maybe 5 to 6 seconds. Often when you do it for the first time, it appears as if this trick doesn't work, but you just hold on to this. I mean, just have some patience. Maybe it's running into 20, 25 odd seconds. It will even then still work. Just believe me, in the process, still works. Let's look at the second way you can come out of this mode. The second way to come out of the fast boot mode is to hold the volume up, volume down, and the power button, all of them together, and like hold all of them together like until you see the MI thing coming on the screen. So this may again take some time, but you need to be patient and just hold on to this state, all volume up, volume down, and the power button. And there you go. You can see Redmi coming on screen, and shortly the phone will boot up like it normally does. Same thing, like you do it in this phone as well, and it will happen. So well, if you are having a Redmi or if you're having an MI, and if you are having the fast boot issue, I really wish that you understand that this is nothing to be scared of. It's an Android state and it's done intentionally to run certain fast boot commands. However, if you have run into this state and really don't know how to boot the phone normally, what you can do is just hold on to the power button and just keep it pressed, say for 15-20 odd seconds. When you do it for the first time, it may take abnormally high time, but you need not be perturbed. If it's not working, just hold on to the volume up, volume down, and the power button, all of them together for quite some time. Well, let us know in the comment section if that helps. If you now really understand how it saves your day, makes you much happier. And please do subscribe. If there's a super thanks there, please give us something. I mean, your love. And please do subscribe to the channel. Please do comment. And please do share this on social networks so that friends of yours and others who are facing this issue also have some peace of mind. Thank you so much. It's me, Amlan, signing off.